Lahdenkatu 41, Lahti staircase B.
Only 1 hour left. Well, actually, for 6 minutes. Or 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Luckily here for me, it'd be 15 minutes early in the station.
Like in 19 o'clock. So the 30 minutes elevator from now.
Yep.
These doors are talking. Is this new indicator once again?
Yep.
Building 1997. Bivane 2185. 4 persons or 305 kilograms. Oh, I'm thirsty. I have to drink some water. Is there any shop near?
No.
Okay. Well, then I will buy the expensive water from the train. Oh, I have. Oh, 70 minutes to film. That's good.
Yeah.
But only 11% of battery.
This is quite shaky elevator.
I've got 31 on my camera and 14 on my phone.
How much are you? How much?
Kakuri 86 has like 1/3 into camera and like 17 in his phone.
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Köln.
French style buttons.
Yep.
Oh, this look good. Right button, alright. I kinda like this panel as it has the black corners or the same as Otis one.
Yeah.
You're gonna film like 5 elevators more or less.
Yeah.
Or more if we
No, I
have
think.
time. Maybe like 5 or 6 or 4.
No, at least 5.
That's it.
That's it.